Hello there, I'm Ravi, and this book review is all about decluttering and organizing. It's a book called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. Do not think this book is not for you if you are usually not the one doing the tidying activities. This book will not only give you a lot of tips on tidying it right, but also give you great information on how to live a clutter-free life. Well, you only know how good it is to live a clutter-free life if you experience it. This book provides two important dimensions on organizing our life. The first aspect being the real-time tips and tricks about managing and organizing your items. And the second is the feeling that you have owning those items, like your mental state as of now in possession of those items. Effective tidying process includes two action items. The first is discarding the items that you have not used for quite some time, let's say a year or so. And second is deciding where to store them. Of the two, discarding must come first. Among the many tips provided in this book, the one which is most effective according to me is asking yourself the simple question: does the items that you own spark joy in you? I mean, when you open your closet, does every item in there give you happiness and joy? And if the answer is no, I mean, if any of the item in your closet does not spark joy in you or gives you happiness, you know what to do with it. Discard them. I want to share my personal experience. When I educated my wife and my mother about tips on how to tie up, they were actually able to discard 75 items of garments from their closet and make their closet lean. They only kept those items which sparked joy in them. Tell me one thing very honestly. You might be owning 30 to 50 items in your closet, but every time you open it, you only choose 7 or 8 of them which you use regularly, which means that you don't like those items which are lying there. Whenever you open your closet, you only decide to wear some of the items which gives you joy and happiness. This is the time that you get rid of those items which just does not bring joy to you and discard them. You can do this with not only your wardrobe, but practically everything that you own and store in your home or office. I have started applying these strategies in my life and have already witnessed benefits of it. I suggest that you start soon. There is no great feeling of finding your stuff in seconds, and that to things that you own, which brings you joy and happiness. Read the book Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo and live a clutter-free life. Thank you for watching. If there is another great book that you would like me to review, do mention it in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue receiving such great videos. For this video, I request you to like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.